Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this episode we will discuss computer fundamental questions. This episode contains 50 questions which are important for all competitive exams. Let's go to questions. The first question is microprocessor is the brain of computer and is also called software, calculator, macrochip and microchip. The answer is D. Microchip. A microchip is a unit of a packaged computer circuit, usually called an integrated circuit, made for program logic and for computer memory. Since the chip is the core for the microprocessor to perform main functions, so microprocessor is called microchip. Next question is, which of the following is not a hardware of a computer? Windows, monitor, central processing unit, keyboard. The answer is Windows. MS Windows is not a hardware. It is an operating system and a software part of a computer. But computer hardware includes the physical component of a computer that can be seen and touched, such as CPU, RAM, monitor, keyboard, hard disk, graphic card, sound card, speakers, and motherboard are examples of computer hardware. So, answer is Windows. Next question is, which of the following was not used in first generation computer? Punch cards, magnetic core, vacuum tubes, all of the above. The answer is B. Magnetic core. The first generation of computer depends on vacuum tubes as the primary memory, CPU circuit components. Punch cards are used as input device in first generation, but magnetic core used in second generation of computers. Next question is, the computer keyboard in English normally uses ABCDEF base, QWERTY base, ASDFGH base, or none of these. The answer is B. QWERTY base. Sir Christopher Latham Solé is regarded as the inventor of a QWERTY keyboard layout. The computer keyboard in English uses the QWERTY base and nowadays is a common phenomenon. The common computer keyboard starts from word Q to the Q to its left. Next question is, 1 trillion of a second is a minute, microsound, picosecond, millisecond. The answer is picosecond. A picosecond is 1 trillionth, that is 10 to the power minus 12 of a second, or 1 millionth of a microsecond. Who is the father of computers? James Gosling, Charles Babbage, Dennis Ritchie, B. Ernest Rutherford. The answer is Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is known as the father of computer because he was the first to invent the analytical engine, which led to the invention of the modern day computers. Next question is, who is the mother of computers? James, Charles Babbage, Ada Lovelace, John Clinton. The answer is Ada Lovelace. Ada Lovelace, otherwise known as Augusta Ada Bryan, was known as the mother of computer. She was an English mathematician and writer, chiefly known for her work on Charles Babbage's proposed mechanical general purpose computer, the analytical engine. Next question is, which of the following is the current definition of computer? Computer is a machine or device that can be programmed to perform arithmetical or logical operations sequence automatically. Second, computer understand only binary language which is written in the form of zeros and ones. Third, computer is a programmable electronic device that stores, retrieves and processes the data. And all of the mentions. The answer is D. All of the mentioned. A computer is an electronic device that can be programmed to perform arithmetical or logical operation sequence automatically. The computer understands only binary codes, that is zeros and ones. Next question is, what is the full form of CPU? First, computer processing unit, computer principal unit, central processing unit, control processing unit. The answer is central processing unit. The CPU is known as the brain of computer. It performs all the basic logical and arithmetic operation activities. Next question is, which of the following language does the computer understand? Computer understand only C language. Computer understand only assembly language. Computer understand only binary language. Computer understand only basic. The answer is computer understands only binary language. The computer understands only binary language which is written in the form of zeros and ones. A computer can understand assembly language, but an assembler is required which convert the assembly language to binary language. Similarly, computer also understand high-level language, but compiler and or interpreter are required to convert to machine language or binary language. Next question is, which of the following computer language is written in binary codes only? Pascal, machine language, C or C hash? The answer is machine language. Machine language is written in binary codes only. It can be easily understood by the computer and is very difficult for the user to understand. Next question is, the number system that we use in our day-to-day life is called the number system. Octal, decimal, hexadecimal, binary. The answer is decimal. The number system that we use in our day-to-day life is the decimal number system. Decimal number system has base 10 and it uses 10 digits from 0 to 9. Next question, which of the following is not a characteristic of a computer? Versatility, accuracy, diligence, IQ. The answer is IQ. The computer system has no IQ of its own. It does only which it is programmed to do. It cannot take decision of its own. A computer is diligent because it can work continuously for hours without getting any errors. And computer do all types of works, so it is known as the versatility. So the answer is IQ because computer has no IQ its own. Next question is, in computer what convert SC to DC? SMPS, processor, RAM and ROM. The answer is SMPS. SMPS full form is switch mode power supply. It is an electronic device that is used to convert AC to DC. Next question is, which of the following unit is responsible for converting the data received from the user into a computer and understandable format? Choices are output unit, input unit, memory unit, arithmetic and logic unit. The answer is input unit. The input unit converts the data which the user enters into a language that the computer understands. That is, it converts the data into binary format. The output unit is responsible for giving the result, and the storage unit is responsible for storing the data. And the ALU means arithmetic logic unit, is responsible for various arithmetic and bitwise operations. So, input unit is the answer. Next question is, which of the following is not a type of a computer code? Answer is ASCII. There is no coding scheme like ASCII. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is the most common character encoding for text data in computers and on the internet. BCD stands for Binary Coded Decimal. BCD is a class of binary coding of decimal numbers where each digit is responsible by fixed number of a bit, usually 4 or 8. And FCD stands for Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. It is an 8-bit character encoding used mainly on IBM mainframe and IBM mid-range computer operating systems. So answer is ASCII. Next question, which of the following part of a processor contains the hardware necessary to perform all the operations required by a computer? Controller, registers, cache, data path. The answer is data path. A processor is a part of the computer which does all the data manipulation and decision making. A processor comprises of a data path that contains the hardware necessary to perform all the operations. Next question is, which of the following is designed to control the operation of a computer? User, application software, system software, utility software. The answer is system software. Software is basically classified into 3 types: system software, application software, and utility software. System software is designed to control the overall operation and extend the processing capability of a computer system. But application software is used for a specific purpose, and utility software is used to give better maintenance to your system. But system software controls overall operation of the computer. Then, what does ALU stands for? Arithmetic Logic Unit, Alumin Logic Unit, Algebraic Logical Unit, Assisted Living Unit. The answer is Arithmetic Logic Unit. An arithmetic logic unit is the part of a CPU that carries out arithmetic and logic operations on the operand. So answer is arithmetic logic unit. The next question, which of the following device use positional notation to represent a decimal number? Choices are Pascaline, abacus, computer, calculator. The answer is abacus. Abacus was used to do arithmetic calculation around 2500 years ago Pascaline was the Pascal's calculator by Blaise Pascal, invented for doing laboratories calculation. So answer is abacus. Next question is, which of the following is used in ASCII? Supercomputer, mainframes, machine codes, programming. The answer is mainframe. The concept of ASCII was invented by IBM. It is mainly used in the IBM mainframes environment. So basically mainframes computer use ASCII codes. Next question. The dash is the administrative section of the computer system. Memory unit, control unit, input unit, central processing unit. The answer is central processing unit, because CPU is called brain of a computer and it is the administrative section of the computer system. Next question is, what does ASCII stands for? Array of a simple character literation index, another stupid character identification idea, alternative source code image improvement, or American Standard Code for Information Interchange. The answer is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is the most common character encoding format for text data in computers and on the internet. The next question is, which of the following are physical devices of a computer? Hardware, software, system software, package. Answer is hardware. Hardware refers to the physical devices of a computer system, but software refers to a collection of programs. So answer is hardware. Next question, which of the following define the assigned ordering among the characters used by the computer? Accumulation, sorting, collating sequence, Unicode. The answer is collating sequence. Collating sequence is the term used for ordering among characters. It may vary depending upon the type of codes used by a computer. Next question is, which of the following storage is a system where a robotic arm will connect or disconnect offline mass storage media according to the computer operating system demands? Magnetic, secondary, virtual, territory. The answer is territory. Territory storage is the correct option. It is used in realms of enterprise storage and scientific computing on large computer system and business computer networks. Next question is, which of the following is known as the interval between the instant a computer makes a request for the transfer of data from a disk system to primary storage and the instance the operation is computed? Disk utilization time, drive utilization time, disk access time, disk arrival time. The answer is disk access time. The interval between the instant a computer makes a request for the transfer of data from disk system to primary storage and the instant its operation is completed is called disk access time. So answer is disk access time. Next question is, which of the following device provides the communication between a computer and the outer world? Choices are compact, I/O, drivers, storage. The answer is I/O. The I/O, that is input or output devices, provide a means of communication between the computer and the outer world. They are often referred to as peripheral devices sometimes. Next question is, which of the following are the input devices that enable direct data entry into a computer system from source document? System access devices, data acquiring devices, data retrieving devices, data scanning devices. The answer is data scanning devices. Data scanning devices are the input devices that enable direct data entry into a computer system from source document. They eliminate the need to key in test data into computer. It demands the high quality of input document. Next question is, which of the following is the device used for converting maps, pictures, and drawings into digital form for storing in computer? Image scanner, digitizer, MICR scanner. The answer is digitizer. A digitizer is an input device that uses special ink that is used for converting pictures, maps, and drawing into digital format. Next question, which of the following can access the server? Web client, user, web browser, web server. Answer is web client. A web server is a program that uses HTTP hypertext transfer protocol to serve the files that form web pages to user in response to their request, which are forwarded by their computer HTTP clients. Next question is, a computer cannot boot if it does not have the compiler, operating system, loader, assembler. The answer is operating system. An operating system is the system software that handles the software and hardware resources and provides services for the computer programs. So, without an operating system, a computer cannot boot. Next question is, which of the following package allows individual to use personal computers for storing and retrieving their personal information? Choices are personal assistant package, graphic package, spreadsheet package, animation package. Answer is personal assistant package. It is a personal assistance package that allows for the same. It helps in planning and managing their schedules, contacts, finance, and inventory of important terms. Next question is, which of the following is created when a user opens an account in the computer system? Choices are SFD, MFD, subdirectory, RDF. Answer is subdirectory. A subdirectory is created when a user opens an account in the computer system. It is treated as a file through flagged in MFD as a subdirectory. Next question is, which of the following is a technique that marks the beginning of a computer communication? User environment, batch environment, time sharing, message passing. Answer is time sharing. In time sharing, users were able to interact with the computer and could share its information processing resources. Next question, which of the following is a type of a technique in which dumb terminals are connected to a central computer system. Choices are time sharing, message passing, batch environment, user environment. Answer is A, time sharing. This happens in time sharing. In this, users are able to interact with the computer and could share its information processing resources. Next question, which of the following service allows a user to log into the another computer somewhere on the internet? Email, Usenet, Telnet, FTP. Answer is Telnet. Telnet is a service that enables the user to log into another computer somewhere on the internet. Next question, which of the following is not a type of a computer on the basis of operation? Choices are digital, analog, hybrid, remote. Answer is remote. There are three types of computers basically on the basis of operation: analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computer. Next question is, which of the following type of a computer is mostly used for automatic operation? Analog, digital, hybrid, remote. Answer is C, hybrid. Hybrid computers is mostly used with automatic operations of complicated physical processes and machines. Next question, which of the following invention gave birth to the much cheaper in microcomputers? Choices are PDH, microprocessor, microcomputers, mainframes. Answer is microprocessors. The invention of a microprocessor, also called a single chip CPU, gave birth to much cheaper microcomputers. Next question is, integrated circuits are classified on the basis of a number of transistors, type of a computer, manufacturer, none of these. Answer is number of transistors. IC are classified on the basis of a number of transistors. A transistor is a semiconductor device used to amplify or switch electronic signals and electrical power. Next is, which of the following computers are lower than mainframe computers in terms of speed and storage capacity? Choices are mainframes, hybrid, mini, super. Answer is mini computer. Mini computers are compared to mainframe computers in terms of speed and storage capacity. Next question, the base of a hexadecimal number system is 2, 8, 10 and 16. Answer is 16. The hexadecimal number system is a type of a number system that has a base value equal to 16. It is also pronounced sometimes as hex. Hexadecimal numbers are represented by only 16 symbols. These symbols or values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. Each digit represents a decimal value. Next question, which of the following is the first neural network computer? Choices are AN, AM, RFD, SNARK. Answer is SNARK. SNARK was the first neural network computer. It was built by Minsky and Edmonds in 1956. Next, in which generation transistors replaced vacuum tubes? First generation computer, second generation computer, third generation computers, fourth generation computers. Answer is second generation computers. Transistors replaced vacuum tube in computers. It was invented at Bell Labs by Walter H. Brenton, John Bardeen, and William B. Shockley in 1947. In the computers of the second generation, punch cards and printouts were used for input and outputs. Next question, what is half byte called? Choices are kilobyte, bit, nibble, and word size. Answer is C, nibble. In computing, a nibble is a 4-bit aggregation or half an octet. It is also known as half byte or tetrad. Next, the scientific name of the computer is microcomputer, mini computer, mainframe computer, supercomputer. Answer is supercomputer. Supercomputer is known as the scientific name of the computer. A computer is a device that does the work of processing data. Today, 5th generation computers are in vogue at the present time, which work at a very high speed. Next, the smallest unit of data in computer is byte, nibble, bit, KB. Answer is bit. A bit is defined as the smallest unit of data in a computer system. It is used as a short form of binary digit. A bit can have only two values, 0 or 1. And GOP byte is defined as the highest unit of data in a computer system. Next, the central processing unit consists of arithmetic logic unit, the registers, the control unit, and all of the above. Answer is all of the above. CPU considered as the brain of a computer to perform all types of data processing operations. It has 3 components such as ALU, CU, storage unit, and also registers. Last question is, data going into the computer is called output, algorithm, input, calculations. Answer is input. Data going into the computer is called as data input. There can be multiple ways for data input. For example, keyboard for text input, camera for video file, the microphone for audio file, etc. That's all. These are the 50 questions about the fundamentals of computers. Thank you for watching this video.